Okay, we have an equation with a fraction in it. So anytime we have a fraction in an equation, the first thing we need to do is get rid of that fraction. And we do that by multiplying both sides by the denominator. So I'm multiplying the left by x and I'm multiplying the right by x. On the right, the two x's cancel. I'm multiplying by x and dividing by x, and that is going to leave me with 5 plus x. On the left, I have x times y. We write it without the multiplication sign. We then need to bring together all the x's. So I have xy minus x. So I'm bringing this plus x minus x equals 5. I'm now going to factorize. So x upon y minus 1 equals 5. X times anything equals 5. How do we work out what x is? We divide by. So it is x equals 5 divided by y minus 1. Okay, this time we have w equals x squared plus y, so we want to isolate the x squared. So x squared would be w minus y. Opposite of squaring is square rooting, so x would be the square root of w minus y. You need to be careful in the exam. The square root must go over the whole thing. So if we see this, you would not get marks. And if you're prone to errors in your presentation, my advice is write in a pair of brackets to show you're multiplying or square rooting everything. Okay, we have another multi-process question. First thing we need to do is get rid of the brackets. So we need to expand the brackets. So r minus 3 equals pi t minus 2 pi r. We tend to put the letters after the numbers. Next step, we want to gather all the like terms together. So we've got to bring the 2 pi r over. R plus 2 pi r. Minus 3. It's got to come over to the other side. So that is pi t plus 3. Factorize the left. And then divide. So we have that r equals pi t plus 3 divided by 1 plus 2 pi. Again, be careful that your denominator fills the whole of the line, or use brackets to show that everything is part of the fraction. Make t the subject. So we need to isolate the t over 3. So we have that t over 3 equals u minus 5. Then have to multiply the other side by 3. And the easiest way to show this is with a set of brackets. If you actually want to do the multiplication, be very careful. It is 3 times u and minus 5 times 3. We need 3u minus 15. The most common mistake made in the exam is t equals 3u minus 5. We don't multiply everything. We have a fraction. So to get rid of a fraction, we multiply by the denominator. So y times x minus 3 equals 3x plus 4. So there I have multiplied the right-hand side by x minus 3, and they cancel. And I have multiplied the left-hand side by x minus 3. Next stage, expand the brackets. Yx minus 3y equals 3x plus 4. Gather the x's together. Yx minus 3x equals 4 plus 3y. Factorize. And then divide.